Hey guys, we have finally got our hands on the Redmi Note 5 AI, which is probably one of the most asked about smartphones on our Facebook page. This phone is among the latest Redmi offerings from Xiaomi and it looks to leave a mark here. The Redmi Note 5 AI speaks 2018 with its trendy minimal bezel design. There's this 5.9 inch of Full HD display between these bezels. Now, right out of the box, this display looks quite crisp and the colors pop out as well. In terms of the design, well, the Redmi Note 5 AI isn't appealing, at least for me. The Redmi phones aren't known for the design aspect, and it's the same with this new phone here. There are curves on the sides of the rear panel to provide a better handling, but the overall looks are not that attractive to say the least. The rear panel houses a vertically oriented dual camera setup, and this is the major area where the AI variant differs with the Pro version. The Note 5 AI now has a wider aperture in lenses for better absorption of light. This will probably result in better pictures, but I haven't got to go out with this camera yet, so we'll talk about it in a full review. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. The Redmi Note 5 AI has the AI branding due to its artificial intelligence capability while handling the pictures. According to Xiaomi, this will help with depth sensing and make the selfies better. We'll test this feature in our full review, of course. Performance is another area where I expect this device to shine. With the top quality Snapdragon 636 chipset in place, along with 4GB of RAM, it will handle all of your tasks. And the few hours I've been playing with this device hints just that. Vatsal Impex has launched only one storage variant of this device, but I expect other variants to make their way into Nepal soon. Teletalk is yet to launch the device here, so the pricing will be really interesting when the company does so. So that's been all about the hands-on review of the Redmi Note 5 AI. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is Anush signing off.